Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to AliExpress. So to do that, first go to shopify.com and log in with the store. So click on the store, and once you're logged in, on the left hand side you can see application. Click here and search for AliExpress. It will take you to the store. So here you can see various AliExpress. I'm just going to click here, click on add app, click on install application, and you'll be easily connected to AliExpress. So I don't have a plan over here, but if you have a plan, you can connect these two applications from here, or you can just install another application. Let me go to application. Click on add app. Now you'll be asked to install application. Click install app, and there you go. So that is how you can connect Shopify with AliExpress. Now you can see the products, import list products. So yeah, if you have a plan, you can just choose from here, and your Shopify and AliExpress will be connected like this.